Have you seen those emotional ads from Tanner Shoes claiming it's the end of a legacy? With 80% off and heartwarming stories about handmade leather shoes crafted by Henry and Margaret Tanner, who've supposedly been in business for over 34 years. It sounds touching, like the final chapter of a family-run brand, but when we dig deeper, things start to feel a bit off. For starters, the domain for Tanner Shoes was only registered in December 2024, which doesn't align with their decades-long backstory. Plus, many of the images and videos used in their ads feature AI-generated models, some with distorted hands or unnatural facial features, common signs of stock or fake content. There are also inconsistencies in their narrative. Some ads say they've been around for 34 years. Others mention over 40. This kind of emotional marketing isn't new, but it's often used by dropshipping or scam websites to create a false sense of trust and urgency. When it comes to customer experiences, reviews on platforms like Reddit and Trustpilot lean heavily negative, with people complaining about receiving plastic-like shoes that don't match the advertised quality, incorrect sizes, and unresponsive customer service. And while the website gives the impression of being based in the US, many users report that orders ship from China, which contradicts their handcrafted in America image. All in all, Tanner Shoes might not be a full-blown scam, but there are definitely enough red flags to be cautious, especially when the brand identity seems manufactured. The products don't match expectations, and the marketing feels more like a performance than a legacy.